Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am gonna talk about one of the important problem that is asked in interview, that is find the index of the peak point in the array. So what is the meaning of this problem? So suppose there is an array, okay? So there is an array. So I'll put some random value over here. So in that array you have to find the peak point in the array. What does this mean? So 5 is the largest element, right? So you have to return the index of 5. For example, there is 10, so you have to return the index of 10. Suppose there is 29, okay? So this is the largest element in the array, so you have to return the index of the array. So what is the approach is, first of all we are gonna check for we are gonna check if there is how many elements are there. If there is only one element, we should return 0, okay? And we should check, and there can be few more cases, such as if there is it is increasing ascending order, then you should return the last element, right? Because, and if this is descending order, it should return the first element. So these are some of the cases, okay? Check for ascending or descending, okay? So these are some of the cases. And if it is not ascending or descending, so what do I mean by that? So if there is a largest element in between, so 23 is there in between, right? So here in this case what will happen? In this case you have to iterate, right? So you have to traverse through the array from the first to the last, and you have to check that and in this largest value, right, there is, you have to check the one value left side and one value right side, and if the middle value is bigger, then you have to return the index, okay? If there is value in middle, run a for loop. So how do I implement this? So first of all I should create a function peak point, okay? So here it will take two arguments, array and n, okay? So inside that I'll write a condition if n is 1, okay? So before that I'm gonna initialize one array over here. So like let array and we'll extract the length of the array, okay? And we should write the console.log over here, and we should call that function peak point. Should pass the argument over here, right? And now we are working on that function. So if n equals to 1, if n is 1, then return 0. that means there is no largest element, right? And if n if array at the 0th position, the element at the 0th position is smaller than equals to element at the first position, return 0. So that means if the for example, if this one in this array, so if it is like this 5 4 3, so the output will be 0 because here the largest element is 5. Okay, the output will be 0. It is in the 0th position. And if it is in ascending order, right, 1 2 3, so it should return what? It should return the 2 because it is in second index. The largest element is in the second index. So if n minus 1 greater than n minus 2, what does this mean? So this means that the element in the last index is greater than the element in the second last index. This means that it is in ascending order, and you should return what? You should return the element in array n minus 1. Okay, you should return the index of array n minus 1. No, it should be n minus 1. Okay, so this is the thing. And if the 3 checks are not satisfied, then you should run the for loop. Okay, for let I equals to 0, not 0, I equals to 1 to the final element, that is I less than n, right? N minus 1 I plus plus. So you should run the loop from the 1 to the last element, and what it will do, it will do some checks here. Okay, so as I have told you, you should check the element that is if array greater than equals to minus 1 and array greater than equals equals to I plus 1. So you should return the index. Okay. So this code will give the index where the largest element is present. Okay. So I'll save and run the code. So here it is giving 2 because here 3 is in the second index. So if I write here 6 and run the code, it will give 3 because 6 in the third index. If I give here 19, save the code and run the program, it will give 2 because 19 is in the second position. So if I write here some other program, 100. Okay, so I have entered few more values in the array, and the output will be like 6 because 100 is the largest element. It is in the 6th index. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends, and hoping to make interesting videos soon. See you in the next video.